We are on the edges of South Lake Tahoe at the Edgewood Tahoe Resort. The scope of the project was a new roof, a clubhouse renovation with a new 2-stop elevator, locker rooms, restrooms, golf club storage, and a full renovation of the existing ballrooms. We added a new bar, center bar, rotunda glass feature, and a new kitchen, and refurbished the banquet kitchen down in what we call back of house. So we should be all right coming up the next week to 2 weeks. We're doing a good job, but let's take it that one step further, all right? Right now, the Coalition glass is setting the top upper support for our rotunda glass. It's a 20-foot radius, 19-foot tall glass that was boated in from China, and this is $500,000 in glass going up here. So these trees are originally from where we're at, dispersed in the area here on the property. They cut these trees. They were picked out by Brooks Park, who was the son of the original founder of Edgewood. They owned 573 acres along Tahoe, and then eventually bought up everything up to Heavenly and up to what they call Kingsbury Grade. And he wanted something that would tell a story when you walked in. So they took the trees, debarked them, they've cut them in half, and you can barely see where they're at, and they put them together in 2 pieces. So they're mounted about 12 inches down below this and lagged in all thread and structurally put back together. There's a lot of harmony on this job, a lot of balance, and all the subs have gotten along great. For a job that could have been really hard, everybody's come together and it's made it just a fabulous job.